If you're a senior living alone and finding it harder and harder to eat well every day, you clicked the right video. Today I'm going to share 7 easy high-protein meals built specifically for seniors living alone. No complicated recipes, no long grocery lists, no standing in the kitchen for an hour. Just real, nourishing meals you can actually make on the days when energy is low and motivation is lower. But here's something most people never talk about. After 60, your body actually needs more protein than it did at 40, not less. And most seniors living alone are quietly undereating protein every single day without ever realizing it. That silent deficiency is one of the leading drivers of muscle loss, fatigue, and the gradual loss of independence that nobody wants to talk about. Every meal in this video was chosen with one thing in mind: your reality. Not a chef's kitchen, not a full family to cook for. Just you, your kitchen, and whatever energy you have left at the end of the day. These meals meet you exactly where you are. You do not need more effort to eat better. You just need the right meals. Meal number 1, Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt into a bowl. Add a small handful of granola on top. Add whatever soft fruit you have: berries, sliced banana, peach. That is it. No cooking, no heat, no cleanup. Ready in under 2 minutes. 1 cup of Greek yogurt delivers between 15 and 20 grams of protein. That is more protein than 2 eggs sitting in a cold bowl that required nothing from you this morning. It also contains probiotics that directly support gut health and calcium that your bones depend on every single day after 60. And here's something most people never connect. Poor gut health after 60 is one of the hidden reasons so many seniors feel persistently low on energy, even after a full night of sleep. Greek yogurt addresses that quietly every single morning without you ever having to think about it. If mornings feel like the hardest part of the day, if getting up, getting dressed, and simply existing already costs you energy before breakfast even happens, this meal was made for that morning. It asks almost nothing from you, and it gives your body exactly what it needs to start moving. No berries at home? Skip them. No granola? A few crushed crackers or a drizzle of honey works just fine. This meal has no rules. It only has one job: to make sure you eat something real without the morning feeling harder than it already is. Some mornings, that is enough. And that matters. Meal number 2, scrambled egg and avocado bowl. Crack 2 eggs into a pan over low heat. Stir slowly until soft, and just set. Slice half an avocado alongside. Place both into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt if you like. Done. 5 minutes from start to finish, including washing the pan. 2 eggs deliver 12 grams of complete protein, meaning they contain every essential amino acid your muscles need to maintain themselves after 60. And here's what most seniors are never told about eggs specifically. After 60, your body's ability to synthesize protein from food slows down significantly. That means you need higher quality protein sources, not just more food. Eggs are one of the highest quality protein sources that exist. And avocado adds healthy fats that directly support brain function, joint lubrication, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins your body depends on daily. Think about how many times you have stood in the kitchen and thought, "I should eat something proper," and then made toast instead because proper felt like too much. That moment is exactly what this meal is designed for. 2 eggs, half an avocado, a bowl. That is a proper meal. It just does not feel like effort. And if avocado is not something you keep at home, a slice of cheese works. A spoonful of cottage cheese on the side works. Even just the eggs alone in a bowl with a piece of soft bread is enough. There is no wrong version of this meal. Cooking for one can feel pointless some days. Like the effort is not worth it for just yourself. But your body does not stop needing nourishment just because the table only has 1 seat. You are worth 5 minutes at the stove. This meal makes sure of that. Meal number 3, white bean and vegetable soup. Open a can of white beans. Drain and rinse them. Pour 2 cups of low-sodium broth into a small pot over medium heat. Add beans. Add whatever soft vegetables you have: frozen peas, diced carrots, spinach, zucchini. Let it warm through for 8 to 10 minutes. Pour into a bowl. That is your meal. One serving of white beans contains 15 grams of plant-based protein alongside some of the highest fiber content of any food available. And here's what most people never connect. Fiber after 60 is not just about digestion. Research shows that adequate daily fiber intake directly reduces chronic inflammation in older adults. And chronic inflammation is the silent driver behind joint pain, fatigue, cognitive decline, and cardiovascular stress that so many seniors live with every single day without ever identifying the source. If you're someone who has been dealing with persistent aches, low energy, or that heavy feeling that never quite goes away, what you eat every evening matters more than most doctors have time to explain and check up. This soup is warm. It is filling. It requires almost no effort and almost no money. A can of beans and a cup of broth. That is the foundation of a meal that genuinely supports your body from the inside. And if you want to subscribe for more meals like this one, meals that are simple, affordable, and actually built for the way seniors live, hit the subscribe button right now. Because next week, I will be sharing the one ingredient most seniors never add to their meals that reduces joint inflammation faster than most supplements on the market. No soft vegetables at home. Frozen vegetables work perfectly. No chopping, no preparation, straight from a bag into the pot. No broth. Warm water with a pinch of salt and a small amount of olive oil creates enough flavor to make this work. Some evenings the cold settles in and the house feels very quiet. This soup will not fix the quiet, but it will warm you from the inside. And on those evenings, that is worth something. Meal number 4, salmon and sweet potato mash. Open a can or pouch of salmon. Set it aside. Microwave 1 medium sweet potato for 5 to 6 minutes until completely soft. Scoop the inside into a bowl and mash with a fork. Add the salmon on top or mix it through. A small drizzle of olive oil. A pinch of salt. Done. 10 minutes. 1 bowl. 1 fork to wash. Canned salmon delivers 22 grams of protein per serving, making it one of the highest protein per dollar foods available in any grocery store. But here is what makes salmon uniquely powerful after 60 that most people never hear. Salmon is one of the richest natural sources of omega-3 fatty acids on the planet. And omega-3s after 60 do something no supplement can fully replicate. They directly reduce the inflammatory markers in your blood that drive joint stiffness, arterial hardening, and the cognitive fog that so many seniors mistake for normal aging. That stiffness you feel when you get up in the morning. That cloudiness that settles over your thinking by mid-afternoon. Those are not just signs of getting older. They are often signs of inflammation that the right food can genuinely help address. And sweet potato is not just a soft, easy side. It is one of the most potassium-rich foods available, and potassium after 60 directly supports healthy blood pressure, muscle function, and the prevention of nighttime leg cramps that disturb sleep for so many seniors living alone. If standing at the stove for long periods is difficult, this meal never asks that of you. The microwave does almost all of the work. You're just assembling, and assembling is something you can do even on the days when everything feels heavy. No sweet potato at home? Canned pumpkin mashed with a fork works beautifully. Regular potato mashed soft works just as well. The salmon is the constant. Everything else bends around whatever you have. You deserve a meal that feels complete. Not just food to get through the day, but something that genuinely looks after you. This is that meal. Meal number 5, lentil and soft rice bowl. Cook a small portion of white rice the way you normally would. Open a can of cooked lentils. Drain and rinse them. Warm them in a small pan for 3 minutes with a pinch of salt, a little cumin if you have it, and a drizzle of olive oil. Spoon the lentils over the rice. That is your meal. 15 minutes. 1 pot. 1 pan. Nothing complicated. 1 cup of lentils contains 18 grams of protein and more iron than most cuts of red meat. And here is something most seniors living on a fixed income are never told. Lentils are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet per dollar spent. A single can cost less than most snacks and delivers a complete, deeply nourishing meal that supports your muscles, your blood, and your energy levels for hours after eating. And if you have been feeling unusually tired lately, not just physically tired, but that deep bone-level exhaustion that sleep does not seem to fix, Low iron is one of the most commonly overlooked causes in adults over 60. Not illness, not aging, just a quiet nutritional gap that the right meal can begin to close. If you are finding value in these meals and you want more content built specifically around eating well on a fixed income and low energy, hit the like button right now. Because most nutrition content completely ignores the reality of what it actually costs in money and in effort to eat well when you're living alone after 60. This channel does not ignore that. Lentils also contain folate and magnesium, two nutrients that directly support heart rhythm stability and blood sugar regulation after 60. Every spoonful is doing more work inside your body than it appears to from the outside. No can lentils available. Dried lentils cook in 20 minutes with no soaking required, faster than almost any other dried legume. No cumin or seasoning at home. A small amount of butter stirred through is enough to make this bowl feel warm and satisfying. Living alone means the grocery budget stretches further when every meal counts. This one counts. It fills you up, looks after your body, and costs almost nothing. Some days that combination is exactly what you need. Meal number 6. Ricotta toast with sliced banana. Toast 1 or 2 slices of your favorite bread. Spread a generous layer of ricotta cheese over each slice while still warm. Lay banana slices on top. A small drizzle of honey, if you like. That is everything. No cooking, no pan, no cleanup beyond a knife and a plate. 2 thick slices of ricotta toast deliver 14 grams of protein alongside calcium, potassium, and a steady, slow-releasing energy that keeps you feeling satisfied for hours without the blood sugar crash that so many seniors experience after eating something sweet. And here's something most people never realize about ricotta specifically. Unlike most soft cheeses, ricotta is made from whey protein, the same high-quality protein found in the supplements sold in health stores for many times the price. You're getting premium protein quality from something that costs a few dollars, spreads on toast in 10 seconds, and honestly tastes like something you chose to eat rather than something you ate out of obligation. Because here is the truth that nobody says out loud. After 60, food can quietly lose its joy. Meals that used to feel like something to look forward to can start feeling like just another task to get through. The appetite shrinks. The effort feels larger. And somewhere along the way, eating stops feeling like pleasure and starts feeling like maintenance. This meal pushes back against that. It is soft. It is sweet. It feels like a small treat in the middle of an ordinary day. And it is quietly delivering exactly what your body needs at the same time. No banana today. Sliced strawberries work beautifully. Soft pear. A spoonful of jam. Even just a ricotta on warm toast with a drizzle of honey is enough to make this feel like something worth sitting down for. You deserve meals that feel good, not just meals that are good for you. This one manages to be both. And on the days when nothing else feels particularly enjoyable, a warm piece of toast with something sweet and soft on top is a small but real comfort. That is not nothing. That is everything. Meal number 7. Warm chicken and vegetable broth bowl. Shred a few pieces of rotisserie chicken with your fingers. Pour 2 cups of low-sodium broth into a small pot over medium heat. Add the chicken and whatever soft vegetables you have. Frozen peas, carrots, spinach. Warm together for 5 to 7 minutes. Ladle into a bowl. Done. Rotisserie chicken delivers 25 to 30 grams of protein per serving. Stays fresh for 3 days in the refrigerator and requires 0 cooking from you. You're simply warming and assembling. Less than 10 minutes from the refrigerator to the table. And here is something most people never think about. Warm liquid meals after 60 do something cold meals cannot. They support hydration at a time when the body's thirst signals naturally weaken with age. That mild daily dehydration quietly drives the fatigue, joint stiffness, and poor concentration that so many seniors assume is just aging. Every spoonful of this bowl is warmth, protein, and hydration working together without you having to think about any of it. No rotisserie chicken. Canned chicken drained directly into warm broth works perfectly. No fresh vegetables. Frozen goes straight from the bag into the pot. This meal has no rules. It only asks that you sit down with something warm at the end of your day. Evenings alone can feel very quiet. This bowl will not change that, but it will make sure that the one person sitting at that table is being properly looked after. You made it through another day. This meal is for that. 7 meals. No complicated recipes. No long grocery lists. No standing in the kitchen longer than you have energy for. Just real, affordable, nourishing food that fits the life you are actually living right now. Let me bring everything together quickly. Greek yogurt parfait, layer, add fruit, done. A no-cook morning that gives your body 15 to 20 grams of protein before the day even begins. Scrambled egg and avocado bowl, 5 minutes at the stove. Complete protein, healthy fats, and a meal that feels like enough even when you're cooking for just one. White bean and vegetable soup, warm broth, canned beans, soft vegetables. Anti-inflammatory, deeply filling, and gentle on the body on the hardest evenings. Salmon and sweet potato mash, canned salmon, microwave sweet potato. A proper meal that asks almost nothing from you and gives your joints and heart everything they need. Lentil and soft rice bowl. Affordable, iron-rich, and filling enough to carry you through the afternoon without reaching for something that offers nothing back. Ricotta toast with sliced banana. No cooking, no effort, and something that actually feels like a treat while quietly doing real work for your body. Warm chicken and vegetable broth bowl, warmth, protein, and hydration in one bowl at the end of a long and quiet day. You do not need to start with all 7. Pick one meal from this list this week. Just one. Make it once. See how it feels. That is enough to begin. Eating well after 60 does not require more effort. It requires the right meals. And the right meals are simpler than most people ever tell you. Simple works. That is the truth nobody says enough. Which of these 7 meals are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one, and it genuinely helps other seniors find the motivation to start too. If this video gave you something useful today, please hit the like button and subscribe so you do not miss next week, where I will be sharing the 5 easiest ways seniors living alone can add protein to meals they are already making without changing anything about how they cook. You're not too old to eat well. You're not too tired to look after yourself. And you do not have to do any of it perfectly. You just have to start.